सर। मैं हाल ही में
तेजस्वी सूर्या जी।
Speaker sir, I would like to draw the attention of this august house to the unfortunate state of governance in communist state government of Kerala, where democratic protesters are being subject to brutal police violence. Sir, the fact that the gold smuggling scam has close links with the Chief Minister of Kerala and that there is attempts to obstruct impartial investigation that is being undertaken is something of public knowledge. Sir, the communist crimes do not end there. Whether it was the flood relief scam or the collecting illegally of COVID patients' data, communist governments in Kerala have used every public tragedy as an opportunity for personal enrichment. The Kerala government's life mission housing scam follows the same template as that of the Venezuelan housing scam. The communists in Kerala government seems to be masters of nepotism. Like their ideological compatriot Kim Jong-un of North Korea, who appointed his sister and close relatives to important roles in government, Kerala's communist ministers have come under severe criticism by Kerala High Court for appointing their close relatives as heads of PSU and government bodies. From smuggling to drug cartels, housing scam to e-mobility, brewery scam to fraud in Public Service Commission examinations, to custodial death in police, the Kerala communist government has surpassed crimes of every communist regime from Colombia to Venezuela, Cuba to North Korea in just 4 years of governance. Sir, though my party is not in the principal opposition, it is raising its voice. However, sir, I just need 30 seconds, sir. Sir, this is a very important issue, sir. The kind of police brutality that is taking place. Sir, the kind of police brutality that is taking place is highly condemnable. Sir, in Kannur, the communist government is physically beating up protesters, including women protesters, sir. I request every conscientious member of this house to take serious cognizance of this suppression of democracy in Kerala and condemn it in the most serious terms. Sir, the great land of Lord Ayyappa, Adi Shankara and Sri Narayana Guru cannot be let to suffer at the hands of communist despots. I want to assure all people agitating for democracy in Kerala that we are all with them. Thank you, sir.